In today's video, I am going to teach you how to ban user from Telegram group. If you are managing a community, keeping it safe and respectful is essential, and knowing how to remove or ban a disruptive member is a key part of that. Before we begin, make sure you are an admin in the group. Only admins can remove or ban members. If you don't see the options I mention, it likely means your role doesn't have the necessary permissions. Start by opening Telegram on your phone or computer. Then head to the specific group where you are an admin. Double-check that it's the correct group. Especially if you manage more than one, since actions you take here affect only this group. Next, access the group's member list. Tap or click the group name at the top of the chat to open the group's profile. This is where you'll see details like the group description, media, settings, and the list of members. If your group is large, you might see a search icon or a members section you can open to quickly find someone. This view gives you everything you need to manage participants. Now, locate the user you want to take action on. Scroll through the list or use the search field if it's available to type their name or username. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the right person by checking their profile photo and username if visible. Accuracy matters so you don't remove the wrong member. Once you've found them, press and hold their name on mobile, or right-click on desktop. A small menu will appear with options. Choose either Remove from Group if you simply want to kick them out once, or Ban if you want to block them from rejoining. Remove from Group is a one-time removal, and the person could potentially come back if they get an invite or join link later. Ban prevents them from re-entering, which is best if the behavior is ongoing or severe. Depending on your device, Telegram may show a confirmation prompt. Review it and confirm to finalize the action. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.